My name is Mark, and I am an owner in the photography industry, and I give Swift Galleries a 5 out of 5. So I used a number of different products prior to Swift Galleries. One of them was Infolio, and one of the problems that I had with other software is that it wasn't as comprehensive as Swift Galleries. It didn't allow me to bring in some of the frames and a lot of the different templates to be able to effectively do in-person sales and to make sure that I had a comprehensive product for my clients. So that would be the biggest thing. I chose Swift Galleries because it is a super comprehensive program that allows me to effectively do in-person sales, especially in the season that we're in with COVID-19 and all the measures that we're taking. It allows me to get in front of my clients remotely. It allows me to effectively sell my products, show them exactly what it's going to look like on their walls, and it's a win-win for me and my clients. So I'm extremely pleased with what I have and love the product and love the support as well. Integrating Swift was pretty easy. I think the biggest piece of it was actually going in and making sure that I had all the templates. I had to upload the templates from my labs to make sure that I had the correct product sizes, the templates, all of the things that would be what I needed to show my clients. And then I did a few tutorials to learn and make sure that I understood it. But other than that, it was really simple and easy to use and very effective. And I was grateful for the opportunity to be able to share with my clients. So if you're a photographer, I highly recommend Swift Galleries. It's a great software. It's a great tool to make sure that you're doing in-person sales, which again is another thing that I feel as photographers we should be doing, making recommendations, showing clients what it'll look like on your walls, but it's a must-have. I love it. I use it, and I think it'll be a great tool for you as well. Thank you.